today I'll be taking matrix, minus and cofactors. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here's just a random matrix. Okay, so we have to find the cofactors and minus of this. Minus and cofactors are just the same thing, but a little difference. So I'll just type in. I'll just write here. Okay, this is we have to first of all we need to write the row and column of it. So what's the row for the 2? It's 1. So 1, and what's the column for 2? It's also 1. Okay, so just like that, let's type in here. Let's write in here the rows and column of every elements in here. Okay. So now I'll show how to find the minus of this. So here, as you see, this is the first element in this row. In this rectangular shape, this is the first element in here. So that's why we can find the minor of this first. Okay. So to find the minors, you have to avoid the row and column of it. So for this element here, it is this element is in first row and first column. So we can remove that. If you remove the first row and first column, this is the only element which is not avoided right now because everything else is gone. So for this one, the minor of this element is 3. So just like that, let's do it for the second one. Let's avoid the row and column, and we'll get to 1. And for 1, let's avoid the row and column, we'll get 6. And for 3, let's avoid the row and column of it, we'll get 2. Okay. Now, cofactor is the same thing, but cofactor is the same thing, but like a little different. So I'll show it after writing this. Okay. So first of all, we have to add the row plus column. We have to add the row plus column. So 1 plus 1, because for the 2, it is the row is 1 and column is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'll share. If we after finding the sum of the one column, if we get an even number, then it will be exactly same as the minor. But if we get an odd number, it's going to be the same. It will be the same thing as minor, but with the minus. Not with the minus, the opposite of this. So, for example, if this was minus 3, it will be 3 here. But here it's 3, right? So it's going to be minus 3 here. But let's see if 1 plus 1 is odd or even. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 is even. So we can write the exact same thing. And now it is first row and the second column. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is an odd number, so that's why we have to write the same thing as minor, but the opposite, which is minus. And 2 plus 1 is 3 again, so minus 6. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is an even number, so we can write 2 here. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll put a question. Okay. Do you know what is the minor of this first element?
7.
Yes, it's 7 because if you avoid the row and column of it, you'll get 7. Can you find the minor of 6?
8.
Yes. What about 8?
7.
No, it is 6 because if you avoid the row and column, it can
6.
be 6. Yes. Okay, what about 7?
1.
Yes, that's fine. So you know how to find the cofactor.
Yes.
So can you find the cofactor for this? Sorry, wait.
First even number. 1 plus 1
Yes.
is even number. The cofactor is 7.
Yes, it is. What about this set? What about six?
Second, 1 plus 2 is odd number. The cofactor is -8.
Yes, it is. So you understand?
Third one, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is odd number. The cofactor is -6.
Yes. What about 7?
2 plus 2 is 4 is even number. The cofactor is 1.
Yes. It is. Okay, so you understood. Okay. So I'll show how to do the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Taking it to bigger box. Okay. Okay. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix because it has 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. And how do we find minors and cofactors? I'll show that. Okay. First of all, what's the first element here? 2, right?
Yes.
So, we have to avoid the row and column of 2. So, let's do that. This is the row and column. So, we avoided these 5 elements. Now we have 2, 4, 3 and 3. So now how do we find the minors? Now we have to find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. How do we find determinant? You have to cross multiply. Like 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is
6.
So 6 minus 4 into 3
12.
12. So you get minus 6. Okay. So that is the cofactor for the first element 2. Okay, so like that I'll write every single element here and let's see if you can find it. If you don't, I'll show how. Okay. 1, 3, 2, okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you tell me the minor of 1?
3, 4, 4, 3. Close multiply.
Yes. What is 3 into 3?
9 minus 16.
9 minus 16?
Minus 7.
Yes. So you understood. So for 5, we have to avoid the row and column of it. We'll get 3, 2, 4, and 3. And you cross multiply it.
9 minus 8 is
And
1.
with that, 3. Avoid the row and column of 3, and we'll get to wait. Avoid the row and column of 3. We will get 1, 5, 3, 3.
3 minus 15.
Yes.
12 minus 12.
It's minus 12. For 2, avoid the row and column of 2, and then we'll get 2, 5, 4, and 3. So 2 into 3 is
6.
6 minus 5 into 4 is
20.
6 minus 20.
Minus 14.
Yes. Okay. What about 4?
2, 1, 4, 3.
Yes.
2 into 3 minus 4 into 1.
Yes.
6 minus 4. 2.
2. Okay. Then it is 4. Our the row and column of it will get 1, 5, 2, and 4.
4 minus 10.
Yes. 4 minus 10.
Minus 6.
Okay. So these two, 3. Our the row and column of it will get 2, 5, 3, and 4. 2 into 4 is 8.
Minus 15. Minus 7.
Yes. Yes, that's correct. Then 3. Our the row and column of 3 will get 2, 1, 3, and 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 1 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So we can find this compound from the same thing. What is the cofactor of the first one? Is 1. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Is 2 an even or odd number?
Even number.
Yes. So what do we have to do if it is even?
Same number. Minus 6.
Yes, minus 6. What is 1 plus 2?
3. 3 is odd number. Different side.
Yeah, so?
Positive 7.
Yes, positive 7.
4 is next one. 4 is even number.
Yes, 1 plus 3
Same
is
number.
1 plus 3 is 4, so it is an even number, so it's the same thing, which is
1.
okay. 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is an odd number, so we have to write minus 12. As I told, opposite, you have to, if it is even number, you have to write the same thing as minor, but if it is an odd number, you have to write the same thing but with a different sign.
Positive 2.
Oh, yeah. Then Next is 14.
Can you check it first one? Minus 6. Here also odd number also minus 6. It is said
What is
Yeah.
1 plus 1?
2. And 2 here also 2. Then minus 6. And second one 1 plus 2. Here also odd number 1 plus 2. Odd number. Then both side minus 7.
No, that's plus 7. Sorry, I actually it is I tried to write that plus so I can explain it, but it kind of looked like minus or a plus. Okay.
Positive 7.
Yes. Okay. So next is 2. So which is this one? This one. Okay, yeah. So what is 2 plus 2?
4. 4 is even number.
So
Minus 2. Minus 14.
yes, minus 4. Okay. Then next is 2 plus 3.
5. 5 is odd number. Minus 2.
Minus 2. What is 3 plus 1?
4. 4 is even number.
Yes.
Minus 6.
You have to write the same thing as minor, which is minus 6. Next is
3 plus 2, 5.
Yes.
5 is odd number.
So I have to write
Positive 7.
yes. So then 3 plus 3 is
6.
6 is an even number, so
1.
yes. Okay, so we got minor as minus 6, minus 7, 1, minus 12, minus 14, 2, minus 6, minus 7 and 1. Then here we got as in cofactor we got minus 6, positive 7, positive 1, positive 12, minus 14, minus 2, minus 6, positive 7 and positive 1. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so that's it for our class and bye.